So in the off-pump procedure, since the heart is beating, we have to find a way to stabilize the arteries that we're sewing to. And companies have developed these special instruments, and they allow us to do so. And what happens is there's a reticulating arm, which is flexible, with at the end it has like a two-pronged fork type of design, and you actually place that on the heart, and underneath these prongs they have suction cups. So as you put them on here, you apply suction to it, and then you tighten up this reticulating arm so it stays rigid, and thus the area of the heart that you're working on is not moving like the rest of the heart. And then we're able to open up the vessel, and whatever blood is flowing through there, we actually can blow out of the field with carbon dioxide. That enables us to do each individual vessel one at a time, and then carry on the rest of the procedure like I described before, and without the need to put a clamp on here or to put tubes into the aorta or the right atrium.